Sorry, we're tell you how we brought the whole side, call you how back to our side back to Kakadash. The one is the older part of it, so we will just take you that I click to the truth. Caught the full color of the earth to the fair probably how about the outside of the hope on that. And the one we call God in the Howard, the one we call Jesus Christ in the Howard side. He really liked the constituent of so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native American Indians. And I was like, the go back to the tribe of Israel due to the gathering of the nations and forgot the folk on the earth. This is Mahari called from the Great Milton Los Angeles camp back in the elections. I'm an Arastyle and will be edifying through the fear and power of Yahweh, Shal Shai, Bashal Kakadash, the Holy Spirit. So, it's a video that came across on Instagram. Alright. That thing had been going fast, all right? Chariot, they call it identifying area phenomenon. But yes, bro. I need to know that Chariot to the Lord, the end right in. All right, though, like I said, guy had did a video on this event that took place. All right, because this is the 2025 Southern California Air Show. All right, which is by my house to job. I did a video on it as well about basically the airplane or just flesh, all right, and then not spirit. There it is right here. All right, right there. The video about 3 weeks ago said Esau fighter jet ain't no match against the Lord's Chariot. All right, I did a video on that 3 weeks ago. And then this pop up. All right. Good call. All right. And it's crazy how somebody caught that on their cameras. All right. And now it's been posted. All right. Hey, because the Lord, the angel, or in the midst of this place, all right, have their eyes everywhere. All right. Like one or two scriptures. Amos 9:8. Behold the eyes of the Lord. Who's the eyes of the Lord? The angel. All right. The riding chariot that people call UAP or UFO. All right. The angel. They record everything. And they're the eyes of the Lord. The eyes of Yahweh. Alright. Behold, the eyes of the Lord Yahweh are upon the temple kingdom that I will destroy from off the face of the earth. David, that I will not utterly destroy the house of Jacob, thanks the Lord Yahweh. That's right, because who's going to be destroying America? Alright. Nothing these fighters that can do about it. Alright. That's what the video I did 3 weeks ago. Alright. Basically, there ain't no match against the Lord's Chariot. Ain't nothing they could do to avoid the destruction of America. Alright? Not gonna happen. And the angel gonna destroy them as well. Alright, you read about that in check it out, this chapter 13. Alright? The Lord Yahweh try to return and that it was about it. Even the airplane. They show you how the multitude came after the Lord and the angels. Enough was to be perceived, but just a smell of smoke afterwards. The onslaught, right? Esau and his army ain't gonna stand a chance. No way. Okay. Alright. I need to cover a double line as well. Yeah. Proverbs 15:3, the eyes of the Lord Yahweh now shine are in every place with an angel, beholding evil and good. Okay. And also Zephaniah, is it Zephaniah? It might be Zechariah. Zechariah. Here it is, Zechariah 5:1. Then I turned and lifted up my eyes and looked before a flying road. What these people call UAP or UFO. They said unto me, what did thou answer? I see a flying road, a light road. It's 20 cubit and a breast of 10 cubit. Then he said unto me, this is the curse that goeth forth over the face of the whole earth, but everyone that stealeth shall be cut off as on this side, according to it, and everyone that sweareth shall be cut off as on that side, according to it. I will bring it forth, saith the Lord Yahweh, the Lord Yahweh of hosts with the angels. And it shall enter into the house of the thieves, which is here in America, and into the house of him that sweareth falsely by my name, and it shall remain in the midst of his house, and shall consume it with the timber thereof and the stone thereof. So everything will be burned up. Alright, that's another description. Zechariah 6:1. And I turned and lifted up my eyes and looked, and behold, I'm talking about that scripture out because the chariot or original place, alright, before the destruction. Zechariah 6:1. And I turned and lifted up my eyes and looked, and behold, there came forth chariot out of between two mountains, and the mountain were mountain of brown. Two big chariots. And 4 chariots came out of each. Or a total of 4, something like the 2 big ones. Alright. So each chariot, smaller chariot come from a bigger chariot. Alright. Like in that video, that smaller chariot that came from a big one. Alright, the reconnaissance missions. Alright. Whatever. Alright. The angels have to ride around and do their missions and keep the eye on this place. And the first chariot were red horses, and the second chariot black horses, and the third chariot white horses, and the fourth chariot glistered and bay horses. And I answered that instead unto the angel that talked with me, what are these, my Lord? The angel answered then to me, these are the four spirits which are the angels of the heaven which go forth from standing before the Lord of all the earth. The black horses which are therein go forth into the north country, and the white go forth after them, and the great land goes forth toward the south country. And the bay went forth and thought to go that they might walk to the top, might walk to and fro the earth. They said, get you hence, walk to and fro the earth. So they walked to and fro to the earth. And how they walking? Chariot. They're flying around. Okay. They walk. It's a lot. Well, to traverse. Alright, making it traverse in those chariots. Alright. So yeah, that's I wanted to bring out that point on that. That was that song.